How's it going, everybody? Today is the actual first, I would say, real day of pre-fishing. We only got in kind of half a day. What I called it yesterday was the pre-fish to the pre-fish, but today has gotten off, this entire trip has gotten off to a horrible start for me. I'm just unorganized. Everything that could go wrong has go wrong. I got my butt kicked fishing yesterday, or you could say I eliminated water. I eliminated a bunch of water, or a pretty big area on Cross Lake. Already headed back to Cross today with Mark. We got all the way to Cross Lake. I realized, one, I had forgot my rain gear, which it's not supposed to rain, so it wasn't that bad, you know, of a mistake. But as we started to unload the kayak and get everything ready to get out on the water, I realized I forgot my Lowrance. So I've been super unorganized this trip. I also realized I forgot my anchor yesterday, so I had to go buy a new anchor. It's just, everything has been going wrong for me. And it's hard to stay positive, and it's more about, you know, not ruining other people's fishing time. So we let Mark launch, and sorry guys, driving. We let Mark launch, and he's out on the water. I didn't want him to watch my kayak and my gear to ruin his fishing day, so I repacked my stuff back in the truck. And I am headed back to the house right now to grab the Lowrance at our Airbnb, and then I will be headed back to the lake. So pretty much a 40-minute round trip just to get my Lowrance and come all the way back, which is killing me because I wasted, you know, over an hour of fishing time, and we had already got on the water later than we hoped. We didn't want to get out too early so we could kind of launch in the light and get a feel for the area that we were going to fish today. And so we got out a little bit later than what we thought we would. Mark's probably on the water now. It's 9:30. You know, my plan was to be on the water by 9:30 as well, but here I am. I probably won't get on the water until around 11, which is what we did yesterday. So the pre-fish to the pre-fish looks like it'll be another pre-fish to the pre-fish. We also talked about, you know, maybe knocking off 2 spots today, half a day here and at one spot, half a day another spot. But now with me doing this, forgetting the Lowrance, having to go back, we may not be able to do that. And this is going to be our last day fishing Cross. Unless we get on them today and find out, you know, find a pattern and find the fish, we won't come back to Cross, and we'll go to Caddo tomorrow and hopefully find fish in Caddo. But we struck out hard yesterday on an area at Cross on the north end, and today we're on the south end. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I get this, you know, hopefully I get my crap together, because it's just been a rough start, and I'm trying not to be negative, trying to stay positive, and I'm trying not to, you know, mess up everybody else's fishing. You know, mainly Mark's, because we drove in the same vehicle, which is his vehicle. So I got to get my crap together. I got to get organized. Tonight I got to make a list. Last night, you know, we weren't even done rigging until after midnight due to some complications on getting gear and getting food. Our gear was in another buddy's place, and he wasn't there last night, and then we had to go get food. So we were hoping to get a good night's rest, and we were still rigging. You know, we didn't get to bed until after 1, and that's just, we gotta get organized, and it starts with me. So hopefully tonight we'll be ready to go. Everything will be organized, and tomorrow we'll go to Caddo and crush it. But stay tuned. Hopefully I've got some good pre-fishing video for you guys, and hopefully, you know, the day turns around for the better. That ain't what we want. Oh, this is legit. Oh my gosh, what are you? Oh my gosh, can you guys see that spider? Holy hell. We're under the bridge right now. Oh, that was awesome.
Just let Dave go.
Fun.
Yellow. Probably about 2 to 5 in the morning. It's just bad fishing right now.
Oh no.
Put one in a tree?
Yep. And if it gets stuck in it, I don't think I can get it out because it's too high. I didn't even see the branch. Felt the line do something weird, I would look up and it's... There we go. The old swing and pull. Oh, almost caught it.
Yeah. I was getting all them snags and them reeds and the stems of the really bad. I don't know how many times I snapped it just in case shoot back at me. Almost did. Never did. I just got this like 12 times in that boat and it would come flying back and whoa! Man, that hurt so bad. Well, I think I might end up got jumped out. I think I'm ready for it.
White spinnerbait.
That's nice looking.
Alright guys, we got a bed fish right here. Here we go, we got 2 bedfish. Oh, he's looking at it. Underspin. The Murray bed bait. I've got 2 good fish right here. Alright guys, going back in with the Murray bed bait, the old faithful underspin. I've got 2 bedfish here. The little male has shown aggression, the female has not. He's nipping at it. Should be able to get him. Oh, almost had him. Come on. Ah, I had him hooked for a second. Oh, it's because he ate the tail. Look at that. See if he'll still attack it. We're gonna get rid of the Kayak piece. And we're gonna go with the camera lures. Alright, he's back on the bed. The line wrapped around the rod. Fish on. Oh, I had him, guys. Finally got him. Oh, it was about time, guys. Wasn't coming off that time. Do you have one tied on? I have one tied on. There she is. Mark got her. Yeah. Yeah, I knew she was decent.
Got her right in the roof, man. That was perfect.
I knew she was decent. When you said 16, I was like, eh, she might be bigger. She's fat.
Look at her tail, dude. That's awesome. What do you think she is?
I don't know, maybe 17. Think 18?
No, I think she's
17?
17.
Yeah, 17 probably. She's fat, that's for sure.
Well, she wasn't happy with me.
I'll tell you what, she's a lot bigger than the one that I got. He was just a little male.
Oh, don't, come on. I don't want to hurt you.
Don't worry, we'll edit that out.
No, please do. I definitely do not want that to happen. Oh, dude, what do you think?
16 and a half.
16 even.
Wow, we're a joke. She's fat. It's her body that makes her look so big. Alright guys, so that's day 2. Again, that was Cross Lake. Not a very great day at all. Ran into some bedfish and that was pretty much it. Caught a decent drum, which was nice to finally get bit, but you know, not what we're looking for. And it's time to get off Cross Lake because Cross Lake has done nothing for us. We have got 2 more days of pre-fishing left, and it looks like we'll be going to Lake Caddo for the last 2 days of pre-fishing. But you know, those 2 bedfish at the end, Mark ended up getting that one, the bigger of the 2. He hadn't caught any fish all day, and I just let him know, hey, you know, I've got that bedfish, and you know, if you want to catch her, let's go catch her. So at that time, we knew we weren't coming back to Cross Lake. We only had, you know, a little bit more time before we were going to head back to the house. So we decided, why not? Might as well, you know, get bit while we're there, because we know we're not coming back. So I got the smaller bedfish. Mark went after the big girl. Worked at her for a while. Big girl, you know, only being whatever she was, less than 17 inches, but she was healthy. And you know, it was better than any of us getting skunked. So again, I appreciate you guys watching. The next video will be pre-fishing day 2.5 or day 3. The first day of pre-fishing on Cross was kind of just for a few hours. We weren't even expecting to fish that day, but so technically we'll call it pre-fishing day 2.5 will be the next video. We'll head to Caddo. Heard Caddo has some monsters, so we'll see what happens there. But again, stay tuned. That video will be coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.